In this video, we will learn how to write a Boolean expression from truth table. Find sum of product and product of sum of the function f. This is a truth table. F is a function of two variables and the variables are a and b. These are all the possible input combinations and the corresponding output is given here. This is the truth table. So first start from SOP, that is sum of product. In sum of product, 1 represent true value and 0 represent complement value. Now we are going to write the expression f. F, that means your output is in true form. True form means value is 1. First step, you have to find the min term. Otherwise, you have to find the input combination for which the function is 1. So here, f is 1 for 0, 0 and 1 for 1, 1. So these are all the input combinations for which f is equal to 1. So write the corresponding min term. 0, 0, a complement, b complement. Because in sum of product, 0 represent complement form and 1 represent true form. So here 1, 1, so you get a, b. So now you are having min term. Here you have to find sum of product. This min term is nothing but product term. So if you are taking a logical sum of this product term, then you get sum of product. So f is equal to a complement, b complement or ab. So to find the sum of product expression and your variable is in true form means you have to find the input combinations for which the function is true. And that input combination should be expressed by min term and you have to take a logical sum of that min term to get the sum of product. Here the min term, corresponding min term is 0 and here the min term is 3. You can also write this f as f is equal to sum of min terms 0, 3. Here the function is in true form. If you are trying to write f complement, that is complement form of f complement, the value is 0. So in this truth table, you have to find the input combination for which f is equal to 0 because we are writing f complement. So the corresponding input combination is 0, 1 and 1, 0. In this input combination, the value of this f is 0. So the corresponding min term is a complement b and here a b complement. A value is 1, b value is 0. So a b complement. So now we are having the product term. Next you have to take a logical sum of this product term. So f complement is equal to a complement b or a b complement. If you want to write a sum of product expression for any function that is in true form means you have to check the input combinations for which f is equal to 1. That is your function is equal to 1 and using that input combination you can write a sum of product. That is that input combination is represented by min term and you have to take a logical sum of that min term to get the sum of product expression. If you are writing the expression in complement means you have to check the input combination for which that function becomes 0. So here also you have to find the corresponding min term and take a logical sum of that min term to get the sum of product expression of that f dash. So next let us write POS, that is product of sum. In product of sum, 1 represent complement form and 0 represent true form. Now we are going to write the expression f. So f means true form. Here true form means 0, the value is 0. So in this truth table, you have to find the input combination for which f is equal to 0 because we are writing product of sum expression. So in product of sum expression, true value means 0, right? So you have to find the input combination for which the function is 0. Here f is 0 for input combination 0, 1 and you have to write the corresponding input as a sum term. You have to write the sum term for the input combination. So A or B complement. Here 0 true form, 1 complement form and you have to write a sum term. And next one, here 1, 0. So A complement or B. So these are all the sum term for which your function f is equal to 0. Next you have to take a logical product of this sum term. So your expression f is equal to A or B complement and A complement R B. So this is the product of sum expression for this function f. The corresponding max terms are here 0, 1, max term 1, 1, 0, max term 2. So you can write this function f as f is equal to product of max term 1 and 2. So you all know how to write sum of product and product of sum. You want to write a sum of product expression means you have to find the input combination for which the function is 1, and you have to write the input combination as a min term. So now you are having a min term, then you have to take a logical sum of that min term. If you are going to write a product of sum expression, first you have to check the input combination for which the function is 0, because in product of sum 0 represents the true value. So you have to find the corresponding input combination, then that should be represented by a sum term, because here we are writing product of sum. So first you have to find the sum term. Next you have to take a product of that sum term to get the pass form. So let us see one more problem. Truth table is given. It is a 3 variable function. The output is given here. So now we are going to write a sum of product expression, that is f. We are going to write the expression for f, that is in true form. So you have to find the input combination for which f is equal to 1. Here f is equal to 1. These are all the input combinations. So next write the corresponding min term. This is 0, 1, 1, A complement BC. Next 1, 0, 0, A, B complement C complement. 1, 0, 1, A, B complement C. 1, 1, 0, A, B, C complement. 1, 1, 1, A, B, C. So these are all the min terms. Next you have to take a logical sum of this min terms to write sum of product expression. So f is equal to sum of this min terms. Okay, this is in canonical sum of product. Let us see how to minimize this Boolean function using Boolean algebra rules. In this two term, a, b dash is common, and here in this two term, ab is common. If you are taking ab dash as a common term, then you get ab dash. Here the remaining term is c dash, and here the remaining term is c. So you get c dash plus c. Similarly, if you are taking ab as a common term, here you get c dash plus c. In Boolean algebra, a plus a dash is equal to 1. So c plus c dash is also 1. So here you get 1, here also you get 1. And in Boolean algebra, 1 dot a, that is logical multiplication. 1 dot a, this dot represent logical multiplication, that is AND operation. You get a, right? So here 1 dot a b dash, so you get ab dash. Here 1 dot ab, you get ab. So this expression becomes a dash bc plus ab dash plus ab. So next here a is common. If you are taking this a as a common term, then you get b dash plus b. Next this b plus b dash is also 1. So 1 dot a is equal to a. Now you get a dash bc plus a. So this expression is similar to a plus a dash b. So by absorption law, a plus a dash b can be written as a plus b. This is absorption law, one of the rule in Boolean algebra. So a plus a dash b is equal to a plus b. Here instead of b, we are having bc. So you can simplify this as a plus bc. So this is the minimal sum of product expression of this function f. That is minimized expression.